welcome back to my channel. It's Kileigh Nichelle, or you can call me Kai, like hi y'all. And today I want to share my Nadula hair with you guys. I got the loose deep wave in 18, 20, and 22. The hair is very thick and healthy, and also the ends are full and the wefts are thick as well. The hair also came with some free goodies, which was perfect for the holiday. It was a stocking, some hair accessories in a goodie bag, and some lashes, and this nice little holiday card, which was very thoughtful for them to give me, and I purchased this hair through a Christmas gift. And Nadula is my girl. They never ever fail me. And I really wanted to get back into doing U parts because I wanted to give my edges a break, because those frontals was really throwing me for a border, and I don't play about my edges. So as you guys can see, like right here, I need that to grow back, baby, because so what you guys will see in the video is that I created a U-part unit out of this hair. So to create a U-part, you're going to need a wig cap, and you want to mark where your leave out's going to be, as you guys seen in the intro of this clip. And then you seen that the hair was wet and it was still thick. And then basically what you want to do is sew it on like you would sew in a sew-in. It is basically a removable sew-in, so that is why I like U-parts, just because it gives me more functionality to remove the unit when I want to, and it's just easier for me, so I prefer to do it. So basically what you want to do is line up your track. You want to use your longest length and line up your track at the nape of the wig cap. So for this one, I'm not going to do it on the flap, because I'm going to cut that flap off, because I know I want this to be a versatile unit and I don't want that flap there. So that will be removed. So I'm going to start right in the area above, or like on the lace part. And then what you want to do is continue to hand sew each weft like you would as you were sewing in. Just be sure you are pulling the thread very tight and making sure your wefts are secure, just to increase the longevity of your unit. And as you guys can see, I sped through this. I didn't want to record the whole process because I don't have enough space on my devices to do so. So if you want a more in-depth tutorial, I would highly recommend just searching U-part wigs and how to make them on YouTube. There's plenty of videos that you can find. And yes, I did this until I got to the outline that I created for my leave out, and then I securely closed it, and then I was done. Lastly, you don't have to hand sew your wefts. You can always use hair glue or hot glue, or even use a sewing machine. I just choose to do hand sewing because I'm more comfortable with that way. I can definitely use my sewing machine, but I just choose not to. So I did dye this hair. I dyed it jet black, of course, and I did the watercolor method because I just got my nails done in the time, but right now they're looking real greasy because I was playing in my hair and putting out oil. But as you can see, it blends very well. I got the loose deep wave because I wanted something that was curlier and thicker, because my hair is curly, like very curly and thick. So I wanted something that would seamlessly blend. And I think it did the job pretty well. So since it's been a few years since I've done a U-part unit install, the braid pattern wasn't to my liking, so I ended up taking it all out, like taking this all down and doing it over. As you can see, like on the right hand side, this side that I'm doing right now, it was just too bulky right there, and the curvature of that anchor braid was just not giving me the vibe. So I ended up taking this whole like install out, but I'm just trying to show you right now what my hair looks like blended, or it's not even blended, what it looks like against the hair extensions. So after I reinstalled, I went in and I straightened the whole unit. Actually, I think this is the same install. Yeah, this is actually the same install, but either way, I straightened the whole unit, and it straightened very easily, and I was very surprised. I didn't use the comb method. I used one of my hard bristle brushes, and that was just more efficient for me. So I did that. For my natural hair, I used a combination of hot comb for the perimeter, and for the leave out at the top, I just simply used the flat iron to make sure my hair was silky straight to match the hair extensions. This is what the unit looked like semi-blended, and I just was not feeling the vibe, so I took it all out like I said and redid it. And then you guys are going to see me put some curls in it. With this install, you guys can see that it is a lot flatter on that side and it is blending better, which I enjoyed. So basically what I'm going to do is continue to flat iron curl this unit, and then I'm going to throw some Flexi Rods in it as well. So this is how the hair came out, and I can flip it. I didn't really put edge control on this side because I don't want to cake it because you're not really going to see it, so don't really put anything over there. So that's what that side looks like, and then this is what this side looks like. The edge booster is not trying to let me be great. I gotta put some oil right there, and then I can put it up in a ponytail if I wanted to. It doesn't look too bad. If you guys can see, this is what it will look like from the back. If you see some some curl back there, it's a little dry, I'm gonna be honest. So yeah, but I left out the back so I was able to put my hair up on one of my clippy clips if I wanted if I wanted to. So I'm gonna show y'all what that would look like. So I could do this really cute and classy little look. I'm not a fan about how poofy that is over there. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's see if we bring this down. Yeah, for the stop, I'm gonna have to bring this down and puff this out a little bit. Yeah, that look a little better. But from the side, it's hitting. From the front, it looked like I got an old 60s wigs on or something. But from the side is giving. The hair is super bouncy and super soft. I wanted to go for like a pin curl top vibe, but I ended up putting Flexi Rods in my hair and I had them in for like a week, so that's why they're like, it's super curly right now. I would give this hair out of 10, a 10, because Nadula never fails the girl. If you guys want to go back and watch one of my first YouTube videos I've ever posted on YouTube, it would be a Nadula hair review, and that was back when I was in college, so I was praying and hoping that their quality would still be the same when I purchased these bundles for Christmas, and thankfully they were. I'm very much in love with the quality of the hair. It's just good quality, and they're also the bundles are also very thick, which is great. I only use like, well, I used 3 bundles, but I only use like 25, not even 25% of the 18-inch, and then I did cut it in layers, so that's how I achieved this like look. I think it's very cute. It's just very move out moon, but also it's very classy and very sleek, so I like that vibe. And yeah, if you're looking to get back into sew-ins or U-parts, then I would highly recommend purchasing this hair. And also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I should have said that in the beginning. I have to get better at doing that, but yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you do want hair reviews, please let me know. And if you have any questions about this hair before you order, just put a comment below and I'll get right back to you, girl. It may take me a couple days, but I'm gonna get back to you. And yeah, I hope everybody's having a great start to the new year, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace. Easier to blend with my natural hair. Like, you can see here where it's thicker, but I think it blends really well, considering that is really gonna bother me. That was a little too much. The hair is super duper soft, and the hair is, I was like in college, and that was one of my first videos that I've ever made on YouTube. You guys can go look at it if you want to, but please excuse the way my eyebrows look because what the hell is going on.
I really do love Nadula